Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Restore Balance. Now on today, I had posted something and it stated, ask for restoration with sincere, earnest expectation. Son of Jonah, you've rested in the shadow too long. Tear away, wipe out one's self, meaning from the flesh and the ego of oneself. Put the things of the past to death. Focus on the earnest expectation to reveal and restore balance with a sincere heart, which is a gift from the Most High God through purification. Don't allow the distractions of this world to stop the fulfillment of purpose. Love you all. Continue to look up and live. Let's restore balance. Reclaim your freedom.